Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe. Pem pem, ijelebe. Jason.
Mananti
Today I want to give you a brief from my Bible, from John 3:16. John 3:16.
Pastor.
What are you saying?
What? Pastor,
Rugged jeans. Have mercy on me.
when you are preaching, don't you not pray?
They have some covered your words.
What?
Hey, what is it? Please don't push my head again. Don't push my head again. You're not going to push your George. What is that? For God so loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son.
Classic.
This nigga make a put to me for
Another hits.